Tell me that who doesn't want long hairs? Who doesn't want silky hairs? Who doesn't want dandruff free skin? I know that everyone wants healthy hairs, and nowadays everyone is suffering from so many hair problems such as dandruff, frizzy hairs, etc. And so good morning everyone. This is Rutuja from Avinash Sir's English Academy, and today I am here to advertise a herbal product named the hair care herbs, which means herbal oil. So let me introduce about the oil. This is the bottle of oil, and today I am giving you information about something this oil. We know that a selection of herbs combined with vegetables and plants to create a herbal oil treatment with various benefits for hair growth. This is known as the herbs, which is included in this bottle, which means made up of herbs, and this is called the herbal oils. Benefits of that oil is healing wounds, providing hair growth and pain relief to the wounds, and brightening the skin complexion, hair growth, etc. The products which are included in this bottle is a number of products which are necessary to our hair growth is Davdi Phool, Amla, Marut Skin, Ratan Jot, Balkachi, Wala, Gulab Kapoor, Our Phool Methi, and also Amla, coconut oil, Bhringraj, cumin, red sandal, sesame oil, mehendi leaf, kapoor, almond oil, hibiscus flower, etc. are included in it. The only one solution to overcome the problem of hair is the herbal oil. We know that nowadays so many chemical oils are available in market, and we are suffering from various problems of hairs because of these chemical oils. So I would like to recommend you the herbal oil, which can help you to clear your wounds and take your hair very growth. We know that this is made up from natural products. This is we can get this from nature. We know that nature provides us in everything. Nature provides us by different ways, and also this type, which means the expertise and Ayurveda's expertise are from forest. They select the Ayurveda's herbs and then prepare oil. After that, we know that it is a natural resource, so it can't harm us. Then the process of making the oil is easy, so they can expertise go to the forest and select the herbs which is necessary to have our hair and proceed it due to us. We know that the chemical oils are ready to use, but this is the oil which we have to prepare and then use. We know that I would like to tell you that how to use this oil. We want to purchase it from the market. The price of the bottle is 200 rupees for online, and 150 rupees from offline purchase. Okay, so to use this bottle, we have to pour the oil. This bottle contains 500 gram oil, and we have to pour it and take it to rest for 2 days, and after the herb soaked the oil, we have to use it. The oil in the bottle change in color red, and if we purchase online, I tell you the rate that if we purchase online, we took 200 rupees, and if we purchase offline, it takes 150 rupees. So I recommend you that instead of using chemical oils which are available in market in a so higher price, take it this bottle in less price, which will help you to grow your hair, which will help you to make your hair silky shine, and with extracts of herbal oil. So I will recommend you book your order now. If you order now, it will be the discount of 10%. So book now. Thank you so much.